Today I'm going to try to repair this broken plastic screwdriver toy. What happened was this screwdriver toy had seen some rough use and the screwdriver portion had separated from the handle. The first thing I'm going to do is to remove all the screws and open up the handle portion to see if it is possible to fit the screwdriver portion back into the handle. Okay, looks like the handle separates into two easily, and seems like this circle part is what holds the screwdriver bit together to the handle. Before I screw the black color part to the screwdriver portion, I would like to use some UHU All Plastics glue to strengthen the part, and also because these are using self-tapping screws, they tend to chew into the plastic every time it is screwed and unscrewed, so a little glue would help to strengthen the portion. I prefer to use this glue instead of super glue because it is more viscous and it forms a lump of plastic by itself after it dries, so it adds to the rigidity after it is completely dry. And now let's put back the yellow part. Oh wait, we need to screw on the black one first. For screws that screw directly into plastic, I tend not to over tighten these screws because they might completely chew up the plastic, so it's best to just go easy on them. And now let's fit it back together, fit the two parts of the handle together, noting the groove in the circle part goes to one part of the handle, and the top also has a groove to go into the other part of the handle. This helps to put some rigidity to the screwdriver portion, and I think I shall just use a little bit more glue. Let's put a little on this side and a little more on the other side. The glue seems very stretchy, and now that we're done, let's cap the glue back. The glue will be able to keep for some time since the cap does work very well. And let's finish up the repair by screwing the two remaining screws back into the handle. Again, I'm going to be careful screwing them together. I don't want to screw them overly tight because that might ruin the threads again. So with that, I think we are done. Okay, so it has been several hours and it is time to hand this over to my son to test it out.